Does your Kwikset pinning kit have a number 7 pin?
Welcome to the show, everyone. Got a little question, you know, the locksmith community, and you find out you don't really know about something. This is a Kwikset pinning kit. It's the professional 272. Look at this. It only goes up to a number 6 pin. If you're gonna do a special setup, a 7 pin, you're out, you're out. You don't get to do it. So what you have to do is you have to come over here to your lab pinning kit, which is such a trusty little thing, right? You're gonna have several of these labs, and you're gonna look at Kwikset, and looky here, it's a number 7 pin, 190. So I gotta put some of these pins, 190s, it's 190, well, it's somewhere 90. I'm gonna put some of those in my pinning kit that I thought was the ultimate pinning kit. Thank you, lab, for having just the right stuff. Oh, guess what? Oh, guess what? When it has a line there, that means they don't have it down here. There is no 190 bottom pin. Jumps 189 to 192. Take a file to it. Interesting.
This whole video and the reason behind it was from the Helpful Lock Picker. Showed how you could take a number 7 pin, which would be at the shear line if you cut a 7 pin depth on a Kwikset key, and it helps to stop people from picking it. And then I got thinking, do I have a 7 pin? You know, what does my Kwikset pinning kit look like? And so all the rest is history, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Thanks again, guys. I'm going to go ahead and order the 190 pins because it's really bad practice to take a file to a pin. Thanks again. Please subscribe, tell your friends.
Sure enough, look at here. My ITL will cut that number 7 pin. Goes all the way up to number 7 there. So that's the depth, 7.